Good afternoon, class. Today we're gonna make a bird feeder. So the materials you need is a big plate, which we'll use later to put our seeds, one toilet paper roll, some honey. You can either use string like this, or string from Dollar Tree. And then we need seeds. Miss Armstrong has pumpkin seeds, and I had some basil seeds in my closet, my pantry. So the first thing we're gonna do is add some seeds to your plate. So I'm gonna start with the pumpkin seeds and just add a handful to the plate. Then I'm gonna take some of my basil seeds and mix it in with the pumpkin seeds. Oops. Parents, this is gonna be really messy, so I suggest you also have a roll of paper towels handy, because it's gonna get a little messy and sticky, especially because we're working with honey. Now, if you have sunflower seeds or any other kind of bird seeds, you could go ahead and use that instead of pumpkin or basil, but this is all I had today. Okay, next we're gonna grab our toilet paper roll and our honey. And we're gonna put, actually I think I need some more seeds. Okay, I think that's enough. We're gonna pour the honey on the toilet paper roll, and this is where it gets sticky. Go ahead and make sure you get a lot of honey on there. Like this. And then we're just gonna roll. We're gonna go ahead and turn the toilet paper roll and add some more honey. Rub it in. I think I got enough. And roll it. Oh, I need more honey. Oops. Oh, guys, almost stuck my hair. All this honey. And we're gonna roll. Oops. Grab me some tissue. And as you can see, the pumpkin seeds has taken over my toilet paper roll. So I'm just gonna go in and pick up some of the small basil seeds and add it to my bird feeder. Could you guys see the little, there it is. Oh, my pumpkin seed fell off. right. And voila, we've just made a beautiful bird feeder for our friendly bird friends to come visit. So right now this is still wet, so we're gonna leave it here overnight to dry. And when it is dry, we're gonna go ahead and grab our string. And I'm just gonna show you with a regular toilet paper roll. We're gonna weave it through. Like this, and hang it on a tree. You can hang it anywhere in the community that you like to see some birds. If you have a beautiful tree in your backyard and would like to see some friendly bird friends one of these days, you could go ahead and put it on a branch on the backyard. And then when you get the chance, you could go on outside and see all the beautiful birds that come to visit. That's it. Bye.